Hello everyone, welcome to the course tutorial of software engineering on the topic of software quality assurance, verification and validation. I am your course instructor Madhu Gautam, Assistant Professor, KIET Group of Institution. So, before releasing a software product, we must ensure its quality. And what we mean by quality? Quality is basically a measure of its correctness, how efficient the software is. And in order to maintain the quality of a software product, we must ensure its maintainability, its portability, its usability, how reliable the software is, how efficient it is, and its interoperability. So these are the different measures through which we can judge or we can check the quality of the software product. Or we can simply say it is the product, how efficiently the product meets the customer requirement or the specifications which is being documented in the software requirement specification. So according to the IEEE, it is a degree to which a system, component or a process meets the specified requirements which is being documented in the SRS document and the customer and the user need or expectations. So we can check the specific requirement and the customer expectation with the help of two techniques, that is called verification and validation. So verification is basically a process or a technique which is to ensure that a process which is being followed for the development of a software is correct, and the validation is the process or a technique to ensure that the product meets the customer's requirement or specification. According to the ISO, it is a complete set of features or characteristics of a product that specifies that are being specified in the SRS document and is fully satisfied in the software product. Software quality assurance is an umbrella activity that is applied throughout the software process. It encompasses the following activity, which is called a quality management approach, the effective software engineering technology, formal technical reviews, multi-tier testing strategy, control of software documentation and the changes that is being made to it, a procedure to ensure compliance with software development standards, and the measurement and the reporting mechanism. So for checking the quality of the software, we have to perform basically the two activity, which is called verification and validation. So as already mentioned, verification is a process of proving that the software conforms to its specified functional and non-functional requirement, and all the functional and non-functional requirement are documented in a document that is called SIS, which is called Software Requirement Specification. It generally defines us whether we are building the product in a right way, in a right manner or not. Whereas validation is a process of proving that the software meets the customer requirements, its need and the expectations. And it generally answers the question that the product is right or not, right? That the product is according to the customer requirement, its specification or not, the final end product. So these are the two activities through which we can ensure the quality of the software product. So basically, software quality assurance is a process which assures that all the software engineering processes, methods, activities and work items are monitored and comply against the defined standards. There are certain models which is being made in order to ensure the software quality, and some of them are ISO 9000 and CMMI model, which is called capability maturity model. These all are the standard model which is used to ensure the software quality. As a part of the quality system, software quality assurance is very important as it defines and measures the adequacy of the software process, providing evidence that establish confidence to the software product for its suitability, for its quality and for the intended purpose. Software quality assurance incorporate all the software processes, development processes, starting from defining the requirement to coding until its release. So its prime concern or the prime task of the software quality assurance is to check whether the product that we are building, are we building in the right manner or not, or at the end product whether it specify or it satisfy all the customer requirement or not. So this is called the software quality assurance, and that's all for this video. Thank you.